35, 55, 65. Oh, sorry, just counting money. Anyways. Hi, my name is Maitreya Valentine, and I'm so excited that Saint Patrick's Day is just coming up, but March is actually the month of my birthday. So I'm very excited for Saint Patrick's Day. Before we go to our project, we're going to go through the stuff that you need. Gold embossing powder, very sparkly for St. Patrick's Day. Embossing ink pad, some green watercolor paints, some paper, a bit of some paintbrushes, and I think we're good. Oh. So we're gonna make this. Can you believe it? The funnest part of painting. Painting! Okay, now what we're gonna do is you're gonna take our giant big St. Patrick's brush, and you're just going to wet the paper with water. Da 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 da. Once you're done wetting your paper, you're going to take a medium, not so big brush. And you're just going to get some color and dab it and see it's going to bleed. And just go smooth with yourself. Choose the green colors that makes you happy for St. Patrick's Day. Tell me in the comments below if you want to share some questions with me about what I'm doing right now. That would be awesome. Okay, if you're not done, you can just pause this video. You have your beautiful painting. Take your salt. We're gonna just da 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 da. So just do it in some like wet spots. Now, gonna take just a paper towel, dab on the spots that you didn't use. It's gonna make kind of a nice little look. So you're gonna just dab. Now you're gonna take your monster brush that wants to steal all of the gold. We don't want it to steal all the gold. We're gonna take it and you're gonna get a beautiful color that you will really like. You're gonna take it on the paintbrush. And you're going to splatter, splatter. I just dried my painting out of the sun. And you want it to be so dry. Because otherwise, when it's very wet and you just cut it, your cutter would break. And you don't want that. Otherwise, you won't do crafts anymore. Wah. Okay, you want to take your heart cutter. And we're going to cut in a line, then cut that off, then cut in a line, then cut that off. Okay? Punch punch, 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 punch. There's your little hearts. Don't they look so good? Before you grab those scissors, always ask a safety, trusty adult to have help with your scissors, because you don't ever want to have 9 fingers with one cut off. I ask always my mom for safety when I use the scissors. You're gonna cut it off. And look, you could use something like this, or like you could use it as something to go around a vase, or you could use it for something. I really am curious about your ideas. Cooking dinner, cooking my breakfast, yeah, something. Oh, aha! Sorry. Anyways, now they have your nice little Saint Patrick's Day hearts. We're gonna do not 1, not 2, but 3. 3 nice little projects. Oh, my legs!
I know.
You're gonna take a piece of cardboard, take a little green heart. See these little white things? Those are stickies. Gonna take one of the stickies, put the sticky part on the heart, then peel off the back, then put the back on the paper. Voila! Gonna keep doing that all around, and you can decorate your paper. Ready to fast forward? Go! Now we're just gonna paint. You can do it in the spots that don't have any hearts. So now that you painted it, this is what it's gonna look like. Now it's time for number 2. So now that we have project number 2, you're gonna have this. You're gonna have the little stickies. You're gonna take 1 little heart, 2 little heart, 3 little heart. And look at that. But then the back side is sticky, so you can just go like that. It's kind of like you have a big pile of 3-leaf clovers and they're just spilling out of your hand. Look at that! Art number 2! So now we're just going to need the ink pad and the embossing glitter powder. Okay. So this time you're going to cut out the heart. Then you're going to take your embossing ink pad, dab it really hard on the end of your heart. Then after, you want to put some glitter on the bottom. Then shake it around so it can go everywhere. hearts with your gold on it on a piece of tin foil. We're gonna dry it, but before you use it, you want to, this involves an adult with you because you could get hurt, and this can melt anything. It's very strong. We're gonna heat the embossing. So get your adult and let the adult help you press the button to blow dry it. Wow. It kind of looks like a volcano. So now that you have your embossed hearts, so nice and shiny, take a piece of your art. You're gonna put one of these little stickies, and then you're just gonna take your cardboard, and then that's part sticky, right? So then you just stick it. Now, it looks like you're done, but maybe you need to get a nice golden pen for luck. And this is going to be the final touch. If you want, you can write something. I'm gonna do luck. Luck. Ooh, look. You can kind of see it in real life, though. Did you have as much fun as I did? We made card number 1, we made card number 2, we made card number 3. I cannot believe it. I had so much fun today. Click in the comments below if you like this video. Luck for you! Watch out, friends. You better wear green, because if you don't wear green, you'll get pinched. I don't want to be pinched. I better wear my green. Ooh, watch out for those bad pinchers. Extra green, never want to be pinched.